Hello, this is Thomas with Aero-Lite Plastics, and this video will demonstrate how to replace the bulbs in an Aero-Lite lighted address sign. This tutorial will be both for our incandescent and LED light bulbs. Both types of bulbs will work in our 3-inch and 4-inch address signs. However, for the purpose of this video, we will be using a 4-inch sign. Let's get started. The first step is to remove the lens. Squeeze the middle of the top and the bottom of the lens to release the tabs holding the lens in place. Pull straight out, being careful not to break the tabs located on the top and the bottom of the lens. Next, remove the old bulbs by simply pulling the bulbs from their sockets. When installing new incandescent bulbs, plug them straight into the sockets. The bulbs should be snug and secure. When installing the LED bulbs, the process is essentially the same. However, the LED bulbs have two sides. One side has 3 yellow diodes. These diodes should face the backplate to help with light dispersion. Plug the LED bulbs into the sockets, making sure they are secure. Replace your lens by squeezing the middle of the top and the bottom of the lens and place it into the backplate. The tabs on the lens should snap into the backplate. The lens might fit snug, but be careful not to use excessive force when replacing the lens. You may break the tabs that hold the lens in place. This completes the bulb replacement tutorial for your Aero-Lite lighted address sign. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.aero-lite.com and read our FAQs or call our replacement part line. Thank you for watching and have a great day.